Hola mga leaguers! Welcome back! If you are new to my channel, my name is Sir Kevin. I am an ICT coordinator and instructor in junior high school. I'm also an advocate of the Techie program. My goal is to share my knowledge and skills about educational technology, most especially to my fellow teachers. I upload videos every twice a week. So if you are interested in learning about educational technology, subscribe now and hit that notification bell so you will be updated on my latest video. We are now on part 2. I made series of videos for me to show you how you can use Google Classroom. If you want to check part 1, just click the caption above. For this video, I will show you how you can create and grade assignments to your students. In your Google Classroom, go to Classwork tab. Then, click the Create button and choose Assignment. Name the assignment and add instructions if needed. Below, you can attach a file from Google Drive or from your computer, a link or a YouTube video. When you click Create, it gives you a list of Google applications naming docs, slides, sheets, drawings, and forms. For this demonstration, I will assign students to make a timeline about a video clip. Let me give a title, History of Computer Timeline Presentation. For my instruction, I already have here below, just to make sure they're gonna watch the attached video and use the template to create their own timeline. Talks about history of computer. On the right side, let's assign points. Set the due date and time. And you can also add rubric. When you click it, it has 3 options: create, reuse, and import. Let's choose create. It will pop up a next page where you can name your criterion. You can also add details. On giving points, you can set level range. My highest point on this criterion is 10. With the level title, Excellent. If you click this plus icon, it adds another point level. Let's have a 3 level here. I'm gonna add 7 points for very good and 5 points for good. If you want to add another criterion, click this Add a Criterion button. Add more criterion until you reach the total points you set for the assignment. If you are done, click Save. You can assign now, save as a draft, or schedule the assignment. If you are assigning it in advance with no specific date yet, choose Save Draft. Then choose Schedule if you have a target date. And lastly, choose Assign if you want to post right away. For this demonstration, let me choose Assign and click Assign to Finish. Your assignment will reflect on the Classwork tab. When you click the assignment, it gives you necessary details including the monitoring number, the number of assigned, which is usually the number of your students receive the assignment. And then, when they submit it, it will reflect on the number of turned in. The assignment you created will be posted also on the Stream tab. They will be notified on their email about the posted assignment. Once all the students submitted their assignments, go to Classwork tab. Then choose the assignment. Click the turn-in number. Then, select one student. Click the Attach Assignment and it will proceed to the work of the student. Upon checking, give score based on your set rubric. The total score will be automatically computed above. If you are done, click Return. This will send back to the students with graded work and comment. Go back again to the list of students and check another one. Do it one after another student. You can also add private comment for some compliment or note to improve. These numbers will tell you how many are still assigned, turned in, and graded. Make sure that all assigned will be on the turn in and you graded all the works of your students. It seems easy to watch, but it is a different story when you used it. At first, I struggled a lot and it took time before I mastered the user interface. But hey, keep on using it until you master. If this video helps you a lot, give a like and share to the people you think who needs to see it. And don't forget to subscribe. That would be all for now. My name is Sir Kevin and thank you for watching. See you on my next video.